Hello everyone, my name is Ryan, and in this video I'll be showing you a quick and easy method of theming applications originally developed for desktop environments other than Gnome. I'm going to show what I mean by that. Typically when an application is specifically built for Gnome desktop environments, it uses the GTK or Gnome toolkit. This ensures that applications follow a specific design. In contrast, applications such as VLC, Kdenlive and VirtualBox designed using a different toolkit, Qt. And this is predominantly used in the KDE Plasma desktop environments. This means that when you run these applications side by side, they will look odd and won't fit the overall theme. For example, here is a comparison of Dolphin and Files, the file explorer for KDE Plasma and Gnome respectively. Luckily, the solution is relatively straightforward and just involves you installing and applying a theme to the Qt applications using an application called Kvantum. And you can install Kvantum with the following command, which is sudo apt install qt5-style-kvantum. Next, we need to add a rule to your user profile so that the theme engine will apply the selected theme to all Qt applications. This can be done with the following command: echo export qt style override equals Kvantum, and then reference your profile. Just bear in mind this will only apply to the current signed in user. Once you've done that, log out of your user account and log back in and then launch Kvantum Manager. So within the application, you want to be choosing the change delete theme and then select one that matches the theme that's currently in use by your desktop environments. So for example, Ubuntu uses Yaru. You'd find Yaru on the list and apply it. Obviously, if you're using a custom theme, make sure to add that to Kvantum beforehand and then apply that instead. Now when we use the example of Dolphin in Files again, you will now see that Dolphin matches the overall theme style. And that's it really. So with that, you now have an easy method of applying a global theme to applications that are not originally developed for the Gnome desktop environment. Just bear in mind this will only work for applications that are installed natively using your package manager. So universal packaging methods such as Snap, Flatpak and app images will not be affected. Either way, with that, it brings this video to an end. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you did find this video helpful, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in that case, I'll see you next time. Goodbye then.